Now, with heat waves becoming stronger and more frequent, Paris's underground electric cables have found themselves vulnerable. The cables dating back 60 years expand and contract under drastic changes in temperature, creating gaps and taking in moisture, ultimately leading to power cuts. Workers in Paris are thereby replacing old electricity cables to ensure the French capital remains the city of light even as it contends with climate change. Over the next few months, Paris will be replacing its obsolete paper-insulated, lead-covered cables with modern plastic cables. The plan is to phase out the obsolete cables in French cities by 2025 and avoid power cuts.
The idea is to make the network less heat sensitive. As you know, heat waves are becoming stronger and more frequent, and they will only get stronger in the years to come. So by replacing these cables, which have become sensitive to high temperatures, we hope to strengthen Paris's power grid for the foreseeable future.
The scientists have warned that the world's 80 million kilometers of power lines are largely unprepared to resist extreme temperatures. Cases have mounted manifold in recent years. In 2021, overhead tramway cables melted during record high temperatures in the northwest US state of Oregon. In July of 2023, a searing heat wave left hundreds of thousands of Sicilians without electricity and water for days. Experts say this points to conditions of exceptional climatic emergency. It is therefore no surprise that Paris is not alone in taking the necessary steps. Counterparts in Chicago, London, Shanghai, Hong Kong, Osaka, Tokyo, Singapore and Sydney also plan to update their cables.
Faire isoler l'âme du câble. L'âme des phases est protégée par du papier huilé.
For all the latest news, download the WION app and subscribe to our YouTube channel.